Biology Multan Board MCQs 2023 Objective Group 2। यहाँ पे 12 MCQs हैं और इनके साथ आंसर्स भी दिए हुए हैं। Number 1, the example of immovable fixed joints is A. Joints between skull bones, B. Joints between the vertebrae, C. Shoulder joint, D. Hip joint. Correct answer is A. Joints between skull bones. Number 2, development of a new offspring from unfertilized egg is called parthenogenesis, budding, fragmentation, binary phase. Correct option is A. Parthenogenesis. Number 3, the latest method of using vegetative tissue or cell of single parent to produce option A. Cutting, B. Grafting, C. Pollination, D. Cloning. Correct option is D. Cloning. Number 4, unit of inheritance is A. Chromosomes, B. Nucleus, C. Gene, D. DNA. Correct option is C. Gene. Number 5, the expression of human blood group AB is an example of codominance, complete dominance, incomplete dominance, or recessive trait. Correct option is A. Codominance. MCQ number 6, the abiotic component of an ecosystem, producers, consumers, decomposers, or light. Correct option is D. Light. Number 7, the number of trophic levels in a blood chain are usually 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, or 5 to 6. Correct option is C. 4 to 5. The painkiller produced by the brain is beta endorphin, B. Thymosin, C. urokinase, D. interferons. Correct option is A. Beta endorphin. Number 9, cardiotonic used to stimulate the heart is morphine, diazepam, paracetamol, or digitalis. Correct option is D. Digitalis. The amount of carbon dioxide is in expired air is A. 0.04%, 1%, 2%, or 4%. Correct option is D. 4%. Number 11, the maintenance of internal condition of the body at equilibrium despite changes in the external environment is called homeostasis, osmoregulation, thermoregulation, or metabolism. Correct option is A. Homeostasis. 12, any change in environment, internal and external, which can provoke a response in organism is called response, effect, stimulus, coordination. Correct option is C. Stimulus.